Hi team. Today I'm going to show you how the threat actors would download the ntds.dit file, which is the Active Directory dump, which consists of hash values of users, group information, and many more of the Active Directory, and extract the hash values from that. And these hash values can be used to do the pass the hash, and even they can crack it to use the passwords, and even they can get the Kerberos TGT hash value to create a golden ticket, which will never expire. So first, you could see two machines here. This is a domain controller, um, and this is the threat actor machine. Okay, so let me show you like how I will get the shell, and then how I am going to uh, get the ntds.dit file. Um, so initially, I know that SMB is open on the domain controller, so I'm going directly to the my MSF console. Okay. Now, I would like to use PSX tool for remotely connecting to that machine from Metasploit. And I would like to use this exploit Windows SMB. Good. So now we need to set the parameters. So, from the right side, you could see my domain controller IP is 100.20. So the remote IP would be 192.168.100.20. And I know the SMB domain is marvel.local. This is the domain you could see here. So that's my domain. And I already got the victim username and password through the crack map and LLMNR attack. So I'm using those credentials, set SMB user fcastle, set SMB password, and we need to set payload. This is 64-bit operating system. Okay, let's check if everything is set or anything is pending. Okay, our host is there, username, password, and domain. All these are there. So, okay, I think it's done. So let's launch the shell. Let's launch this exploit and see if it is successful to get a shell on the domain controller. Okay, great. So we got the shell. Now let's see what privileges we have. So we have the highest level of privileges, that is system. And let's see what is the I would like to go I would like to go inside this system and get the normal shell. So okay, I got the shell. Let's see on which system we are. There we go. We are on the domain controller. We got the shell as a threat actor. So my next step would be to get the backup of the ntds.dit as well as the system hive file. So these two are very important. So ntds.dit file contains all the Active Directory dump, and system hive is like the key to decrypt the ntds.dit. So we need to get these two files. And remember, ntds.dit file is constantly used by the system for authentication purpose. So you cannot directly copy that one. So we need to make a backup of that one and then transfer the backup to the attacker machine. Okay. So you could see on domain controller, nothing the victim can see when this is happening. Okay. So the first step is I would like to use the ntds util. Let's see, util question mark. 1 minute shell. Okay, I'll use the direct command. So I'm activating the ntds util. Ntds util is a inbuilt utility by Windows. So it's like a living of the land technique. So threat actor doesn't need to bring any kind of malware. Okay, so I'm activating the ntds.dit and creating a backup of that in this particular folder. Okay. Okay. So now you could see that I have activated the instance, and then I have made a backup of that particular ntds.dit file under this one. Okay. Now, if we go here, we should be able to see this particular uh, file ntds.dit. So cd okay, cd program data. Okay, we have the backup folder created. Tab won't work because this is a shell. Back dir. There we have to registry, and when we hit dir active directory, there we go. We have the ntds.dit file there. Okay, and we can extract under from the registry the system file as well. And there is another way as well to get the registry file. Let me show you that. So let me go back. I would like to just copy that, extract that system hive, which is the key for the ntds.dit file. So I'm just saving the system hive into the C drive directly. This is a command reg save hklm system and system hive. Okay, done. You could see it is successfully done. And you hit this one, so you could see the system hive file here. Okay, that's great. So now the job of copying the files of system hive and ntds.dit is done. So the next step is the threat actor. Okay, needs to get these files offline and extract the hash values from this one, which can be used for parse the hash or else generating golden ticket and many other things. Okay, how to do that one? So I would like to go to my Meterpreter shell. Okay, so now we know the path, exact path. If you see here, it is saved under this active directory ntds.dit, and it is and the hive file is saved under the C drive directly. So we will use the same commands. In the Meterpreter, we have very good commands for download and upload, so which is very easy after getting the shell. So I have the shell to the victim domain controller. So I'm downloading that ntds.dit file to my machine. It's done. So I downloaded it. And I would like to download the system hive file as well. Okay, done. So we have both the files now. We can go to the other tab and we can ls-a. Okay, so we can see the two files. Sorry. Okay, we have ntds.dit, and then okay, we have system.hive file as well. So we have two files. So now we are going to extract that. So for that one, we can do in multiple ways. There are many tools like we have DS internals PowerShell script, which is a very powerful one, which is used for enumeration, defensivation, lateral movement, and many things. Similarly, we have Impacket. I love Impacket because it has many other tools inside that one. I'm going to use a secret dump from the Impacket module. Okay. So we have both. We have exfiltrated like a threat actor. I'm a threat actor. I have exfiltrated the ntds.dit and system hive file um, to my machine. Now I'm going to crack the hash values. So I'm using the Impacket secret dumps. Okay, you could see the system hive. I'm using system hive key to extract the hash values from this one. Okay, so now I'm going to hit enter. Okay, let's see if we get the hash values. Yeah, there we go. We have the hash values of all the users and even the Kerberos DGT. So now I can use this one to generate the golden ticket. Okay. Yeah, that's how. And we can use crack map like tool and mimic as also to do the pass the hash attack apart from creating golden tickets. So yeah, this is about the ntds.dit file extraction of hash values. Thank you.